All right, this time we got a big truck. This is a 1954 C-1-TA8. And I forget the wheelbase on this one. So what that means is C1 is 1954. The T is a 3-ton truck. The A is for a 2-speed rear axle. And the 8 stands for a V8 engine. And there's the V8, see? Right there on the front of that guy. So you know he's got a V8. Now this was the first year for the Dodge little Red Ram Hemi, which is a 240 cubic inch or 241, whichever engine. But the one in this, since he's a big truck, he has a 331 cubic inch Hemi. And now this is the same size as they used in the bigger Chrysler cars. So this is a big old engine here. Now I will tell you that this thing runs and drives and it backs up, but it wasn't stopping. There, the original paint on that is green. This yellow paint is some after job. But he didn't stop. So I got ambitious one winter and I took it apart to redo the brakes. And I'll tell you what, this truck is huge. Them drums on there are huge. They got a huge rear axle on the thing. And I got the drums all finished, and I got the new brakes for it, put in new bearings, and all that stuff. And I never have yet put it all back together, which is about average. It's got the gas tank delete there. That's not the correct handle. I don't know if I can reach in there to get this on the midnight special. No. We'll just wait till we go around. We'll see if we can open the other door. Now when I got this thing, it had a huge dump bed on it. And the dump bed was actually for a tandem axle truck. And I'll tell you what, it took immense amount of effort to get that off of here. But it was too big for anything I needed. So I'm trying to pick this thing up with my 8,000-pound winch on my boom truck. And I struggle. I had to take it off in pieces. And unfortunately, the biggest piece got away from me a little bit and hit the rear of that cab. Luckily, it doesn't have corner windows, but it did. It broke the center glass. That's not a big deal. And put a couple of dents in it. I'll tell you what I want to do with this, or what I did want to do with it anyway, was I was going to take this big truck and put a sleeper on there. And on the back end, I was going to put just enough of a hitch, you know, to tow either a gooseneck or a fifth wheel or a big old bumper pull, whatever. And then I put that sleeper all the way to where the hitch would be, and I'd make it into a toter, a trailer toter, and use that like a big old RV for on the road trucking. There's a couple of pieces up there that don't belong to this truck that are there to hold the tarps on. I don't know what condition them bearings and brakes are going to be in by the time I get this thing put together. But it is a big old guy. Well, everything's underneath there to fix this. Here, this don't belong here. That's the sunscreen for the DeSoto next door to it. There's the fuel tank is in the step. Big old side mirrors on it. Oh, look at there. That opened. There's the green color. Pretty decent seat in it. I don't know what the deal is with the glove box, but they took it out, whatever. And I do know this thing drives, runs around and drives. There's this 2-speed rear axle control. Probably 4-speed. I don't think it's a 5. Well, one door is good. See, it's got the fender flares for the bigger wheels and tires. Oh, oh. Yeah, it's bent. Big old Hemi. Big old Hemi in there. Single piece windshield. The cabs are the same no matter what size the trucks are. It's just everything below that. I don't know. It might have longer fenders, but hard telling. Okay, I'm going to turn around now. I got this one right close by here in Delta County, western Colorado. Other than the bumps and bruises, it's pretty rust free. Boy, that'd be fun toting a big old trailer behind that. Yeah. Well, that's that big guy. 970-986-1020. Have a great day.